Hello everyone, welcome to this video. This is a try and haul with my new bra, which I hope you like it. It's in a white color, and I'm wearing pajama pants and Crocs, which are very comfy, and I use them every single day at home. I hope you love them. This is my new nail varnish. Toes, yellow toes. Thank you very much for watching, and please leave comments below about the ideas of what videos would you like for me to do for you, and hopefully we can have fun. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing, and see you soon in the next couple of videos where I'll be showing you something else, something new, something fun, something to entertain you. So hopefully you're going to love it as much as I do, because obviously I love my videos. I love because I do them for you, and all that I do is I do for you. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon. Love you.